So we got a 2013-14. This is a 14 Ford CMAX. We're gonna remove the radio, and got my brother-in-law. He's new here, so bear with him. So here we go. First, you pop it out, the top plastic, and then you're gonna see screw right there. It's a T25, which I got it for him already. Now he's really new to this thing, so he's gonna have to watch the window too, the glass, windshield you call it. You say you can't see it, but what I tell you about can't see, if you can't see, you gotta kind of touch it, like right here. It should be right here. You just touch it and then you put the T25 to it. It's not about seeing, it's about knowing where's it at when you touch it. So this radio right here doesn't have sound, so we kind of wonder what's going on with the radio or with the amplifier. The amplifier is behind the glove box. So now what to do next? He's gonna lift that out. Yeah, that's what happened right there. So something that's kind of weird. It's cut in and out. I freak him out a little bit, ain't it? So we don't know what's going on. It's, see? I don't know if it's that piece or not. It could be that piece. Let me see. It's crazy, huh? So now you're gonna push that clip right there down and move it. Push it down first and pull it down. So what I'm thinking, let me see if it's still making crazy noise. Something wrong with that little piece or the radio. So we haven't heard any crazy sound anymore. But this is just to show you how to remove the stereo. So I'm thinking maybe this part is gone bad. Right there, this power Microsoft sync might be bad. So now he's gonna remove this rubber out. There should be 2 7mm right there. There should be like 2 more 7mm later on after he popped this thing out. So now he's gonna try to jiggle it or move it around, try to pry without damage anything. So you have to be careful on this part about moving that thing. So there's 2 more, there's more right here. See, right here. That's one 7mm. Remember, this guy got no experience at all. So it can be you guys that doing it. So let me see how she's gonna pry it. Be careful prying right there. You have to be careful. Why don't you hold it right here? Try to pry right here. See? Lift it from here a little bit. Not too much. You're gonna break this piece. Now you can pry it on that corner. So now we got that out. So he's got 2 more right here. 1 right here and 1 right there. I had to watch so he don't break anything. This is a car lot car. You see what happened? What he didn't do right because he didn't get it on the spot right here. He tried to get in that hole. No. He thinks something wrong with his drill. Okay, hold this. So what happened, you're gonna have to get it all in, not like this. He got it up twisted like this. You gotta kind of angle with where it's at. Now the battery's dead. So that's how it is. Because what happened when he did it, he go like this. So now it's gonna just spinning like that. He gotta get it on like this. So using a tool, most people think they know how to use the drill. That's what happened. He didn't know how. Trust me. Careful right here. Now you gotta kind of pry it out here a little bit, down on the bottom. Right here, pry this. Just go easy. It looks easy when people show you how, because they don't. Just easy, no more than 1 inch when you pry it. Be careful with that right here. Careful that piece, it'll break fast. Now he got 2 more 7mm right here. See, if you angle that drill bits right, you're good. That's a T. That's a 7mm. So we're using that Torx T25 earlier to take that out. So now he can just jiggle it, move it around, take it out, take the radio out. I don't think he understands jiggling, so. And don't grab too much on this, you'll break them. You could take a prier and pry it out like here. So if I was about to show you how to remove it, it's gonna look easy, but for him, it's different. So this is him and you guys. There you go. You have to go on a little bit here, there to kind of get it out. He does have a problem trying to get it out now, so but still, that's how you do it. That's how you learn. If you want to do it yourself. I mean, that's what this DIY is all about. You keep grabbing this thing, be careful, you're gonna break this piece. Remember, there's always a way. There you go. You jiggle it up and down because it's got that piece right there. Now, what you're gonna do behind here, there's a piece. You just push this down right here and move it out. See? Push and pull. Push that clip and pull. There you go. So basically right here, the antenna, you don't push it right here. You push it here and then pull, because you're releasing that clip. See that clip right here? See? It's got the lock pad in that holes right there. That's what holding it. You push like this, it ain't gonna do nothing. So that is it.